Barbara from Miller's Floral Design. Just showing you, this is our new work at studio. As you all, most of you know, we are relocating from the shop and we're going to have a work studio here on the family farm. I'll have to make this quick because it's beginning to rain. It's been sunny and as soon as I get all my plants out it starts to rain. So first I'm just going to show you a hanging basket that we're going to do. I've lined this with moss, you know, to seal it all in so all the soil will stay in there. I've done that. So now I'm just going to put a layer of compost on top of there. This is what the plants will feed from. I'm just going to press that down a little bit. Now I want some little plants to actually trail through here. So my mum, Norma, as you probably remember, who used to have the shop with me, has been growing these little plug plants. So these are like the trailing lobelia. I'm just going to turn it around so you can see it. These are some little busy lizzies. Just going to put those through. And I've got to be really gentle with these because they're new little plug plants. I don't want to break them. So they're just lying on top of the compost, the sphagnum moss. All these things you can buy from us, you know, the sphagnum moss, or if you really don't feel like tackling them, we can make them for you. So I'm just moving that around, and now I'm going to put another lobelia when I can find it. Here we go. It's rolled off with the wind. So I'm just going to place that through, just being careful not to damage the roots. So that will come out blue and it'll be trailing over the basket. I'll turn that round again. There's another little busy lizzie. These are really colourful, these. So I'm gently just teasing the compost off a bit, just squashing it so it'll go through. Gently put it through. They're very delicate, these, so I don't want to break them. So those will all trail down nicely. So now I'm just just dragged it through. In fact, I'm just going to move it to that little area there. So now I'm just going to layer it again with some more moss. Now my plants are in, so these will nestle against the plants. Just take that around, just gently. This is beginning to spit now, so if it, just hope we don't have a thunderstorm. I'm just going to, that just lines the basket. More moss. That just stops the soil from actually, you know, when you water it, it'll stop the soil from coming through. Just going to go around there. I know I'll go a bit silent, but I'm just concentrating. So again, it's just lining all that moss. Right, so we'll put a bit more compost in. And then we'll put this lovely yellow Ostaspermum in the centre. Just gently squeeze the pot so you're not damaging the roots. Then pull it through. Make a little hole that will sit in there, and then around the edge we're going to put this lovely, another little hole. That's a lovely ivy leaf geranium that will trail over. Just around there like that. This little busy lizzie doesn't want to stay in. Keeps falling out. Put that there. Then I think we'll put this gorgeous petunia. It's a gorgeous deep purpley colour, so that'll look great against the yellow Ostaspermum, as you can see. And then I'm going to put this Nepetia in. That's again a lovely, this just is greenery and it'll just trail over the edge. Like so. So just bed it down with now a bit more compost. The compost has already got food nutrients in it, so That'll help the plants grow. And it's surprising just how big they grow, and it all be trailing down. So once they've settled in and they're growing, I'll show you another video with them all done. So these are all going around our new studio, our flower studio, like so. And they've got lots of buds on them. That's brilliant. So happy planting, or if you don't feel like doing it, just bring them in and we'll plant them for you. Thank you.